Understanding Unofficial Channels. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that you might come across in various contexts. Unofficial channels. It's a phrase that can seem a bit complex at first, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. By the end of this video, you'll understand not only what it means but also how to use it in your own conversations. So, let's dive in. The phrase, unofficial channels, refers to methods or pathways of communication or distribution that are not formally recognized or authorized by official entities. These can be ways of sharing information, distributing products, or communicating that operate outside the established, formal, or legal frameworks. For example, getting news from a social media post rather than an official news website can be considered receiving information through an unofficial channel. To better understand the concept, let's look at some examples. Social media, information shared on platforms like Twitter or Facebook, which hasn't been verified by official news outlets. Word of mouth, information passed from person to person, not through formal communication methods like official memos or announcements. Fan-made websites, websites created by fans of a particular show, game, or celebrity that share news and updates without any formal authorization from the official sources. These examples illustrate how unofficial channels work in various domains, highlighting their informal nature and the absence of official endorsement or control. You might wonder, why do people use unofficial channels? There are several reasons. Speed. Unofficial channels often spread information more quickly than official ones. Accessibility. Sometimes, unofficial channels are the only way to access certain information or products, especially in areas with strict control over media or in niche communities. Community and sharing. Unofficial channels can foster a sense of community, allowing people with similar interests to share news, ideas, and content freely. However, it's important to approach information from unofficial channels with caution, as it may not always be accurate or reliable. While unofficial channels can provide valuable information and foster community, it's crucial to develop critical thinking skills to evaluate the reliability of the information received. Always consider the source, check for corroborating evidence, and, when in doubt, seek out information from more official or verified sources. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the meaning of unofficial channels. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase and helped you understand how it fits into the broader landscape of communication and information sharing. Remember, while unofficial channels can be a rich source of information and community, always approach them with a critical mind. Until next time, keep learning, and see you in our next video.